YouTube land, what's up? It's your girl McCall from Cougar's Closet. How y'all doing today? So today, right, I didn't pull any cards. I went through my deck and I let my energy lead me to cards. So at first I was looking for one particular card for my energy to lead me to, but then my energy got stronger and led me to a second card. And then my energy got stronger and led me to a third card. So basically, what I did, I allowed my energy to pick these cards to give me a story here. So we have Knight of Swords, we have King of Swords, and we have Death. Okay, so this is male energy, this is boss energy, this is female boss energy. Yeah. So what the deal is here, right? The story that I'm picking up on here, somebody in this energy here, they on the battlefield. They on the battlefield in their mind. Like, I'm gonna tell you how this battlefield is. It's like everything and everybody is in your way, and people are silently busting moves trying to get you to bust a move. People in your way that you know they don't like you, and you tired of pretending. But at the same time, that don't mean your mind frame is that don't mean we gotta fall out because I choose to separate myself. I just seen what I seen, and I can't get mad at you for who you are. Yeah. So this King of Swords, though, has had it. This King of Swords was first the Knight of Swords. But either way, both of them have their swords. And so the Knight of Swords is saying that, he been having his swords ever since he was a young fella. He's sick of it. And then the King of Swords is saying y'all just won't leave good enough alone. Well enough alone. Y'all just won't do it. So whoever I'm talking to here, male, female, masculine, female, everything is more visible to you these days. Everything is in your face and everything is close up in your face, and there's no mistaking what you seeing. But whoever you are, you got a master plan on the side. I don't know what all this master plan entails, but it's just like, I feel like you buying time. But see, I wanted to get on here and get to you and show you that the movement on this spiritual board right here is no movement. That's the only way you gonna defeat the enemy. with no movement. This calls for the type of strategy where you just stand still and let everybody go away from you, everybody come towards you, and eventually they pass you, you know. So, with the death, of course, you know, I told y'all the death means, you know, new birth, reborn, you know, born again. Um, that's what it means, of course. But you are in the concept more of the real in detailed concept. Like your death mean seeing things for what they really are now. Understanding what you understanding now. Believing what you believe in now. Like you to the point where like you irritated because you sick of speaking with ignorant folks. So you don't say nothing, so you remain quiet, or sometimes you jump in. But whoever you are, you got a master plan. And this master plan is working for you. But what you have to do here is stay consistent and buy time. And then you have to think about things that you can remember worse that was done to you now. Probably don't even add up, do it. I'm sure it doesn't. It won't. Like, the swords is you cutting anybody, you cutting everybody off, cutting their heads off, making heads roll. Like you discovering different self-loves and different self-faucets about yourself. You are starting to notice different features and body parts doing things that you didn't even know they could do, you know. Uh, Whoever I'm speaking to here, you are a very, 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 very adaptable energy. Very adaptable. Uh can operate from both sides, your feminine side or your masculine side or your feminine side. You know, like very charming, very persuasive, very, very understanding, very patient. And there's a reason for that. Because, like, I get the feeling you're ready to take off right now. But you can't do it right now. And that's reasons that I know of and reasons that's, you know, beyond to you. Not now. But you have more storms coming. I have to tell you the truth. So with these storms coming, I'm going to need you to learn how to pick your fights wisely. And some of them don't even pick at all. Because, see, like, whoever I'm speaking to here, like, You don't understand, or you are starting to understanding that you have something to protect. You just do. You have something to protect. So as you get past one um you know storm, as you can see, you'll keep running up on another one. They'll just keep coming. Basically, all you doing is shooing them off, and it's just too much energy, if that makes sense, to waste. It will drain you physically, but it's going on up here. It's a true story to have to pray people away, and pray for the better of people that wronged you, and pray for the people that misunderstand you, and pray for the people that lie on you, and pray for the people that plot death upon you, and pray for the people that plot witchcraft against you. I can tell you firsthand, you do get a tremendous outcome when you use that. But see, people so anxious, so ready, so in a hurry, want to pay you right now. They can't use that method. They'll try that method next time. See, I've been there too. But now, since I am allowing my energies to start flowing within me and flowing out of me, and letting them exhale, and some come back and some take off and never come back, whatever they do. Like, my world is just a better understanding of understanding for the understanding, for those that understand or want to understand. I hope you understand. Like, the power in prayer is so dope, but you have to know how to use it. Sometimes it's not about going against people. It's about feeding them their own medicine. It's about them laying in the bed that they laid for you. It's about them sitting at the table that they planned for you to sit, and eat what they planned for you to eat. It's about them eating it. Sometimes it's about you dig a ditch for your brother, and you will fall in. See, people don't understand. See, when you use that prayer, that's how that prayer works. Like, he cannot do his job without your prayers. And you never want to be around when these things happen, and you never, want to poke or I told you so, or whatever the deal is. You just, want to be an adult about it. Yeah. Well, anywho, y'all, I don't even know what I'm talking about no more. Yeah. Cougar's Closet. Y'all know I got to put the title.